In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Lemuroid app on Android. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. You can find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. It looks like a colorful triangle. Tapping it will take you to a world filled with apps. This step is essential because the Play Store is the official source for downloading apps on Android. It ensures that you are getting the legitimate version of Lemuroid. Once you are in the Play Store, you will see a search bar at the top. This is where we will go next. Next, search for Lemuroid in the search bar. Type the name carefully to ensure you find the correct app. As you type, suggestions may appear below the search bar. Once you see Lemuroid in the list, select it. This action is crucial because it directs you to the app's page where you can learn more about it. You will see the app icon, a brief description, and user ratings. This information helps you confirm that you are selecting the right app. Now, verify that the developer is Filippo Scognamiglio. This is an important step to ensure that you are downloading the official version of the app. You can find the developer's name listed beneath the app title. Checking this helps you avoid downloading any fake or malicious versions. It keeps your device secure and ensures a smooth experience with the app. Once confirmed, you are ready for the next step. After that, tap the Install button. It is usually a green button located on the right side of the app description. This action initiates the download and installation process. You will see a progress bar indicating the download status. It may take a few moments depending on your internet connection. This step is crucial because it brings Lemuroid to your device, allowing you to start using it soon. Once the app has finished downloading and installing, you will see an open button appear. You can tap this button directly to launch Lemuroid. Alternatively, you can find the app in your app drawer later. It's important to open the app right away to ensure everything is working correctly. You may see a welcome screen or a setup tutorial when you first launch Lemuroid, guiding you through its features. Now open Lemuroid from your app drawer. The app drawer is where all your installed apps are stored. You can access it by swiping up from the bottom of your home screen. Look for the Lemuroid icon, which should resemble a game controller. Tapping on it will bring you into the app's main interface. This step is vital because it allows you to start exploring the features and settings of Lemuroid right away. Next, grant storage permission when prompted. This permission is necessary for Lemuroid to scan your legally owned game ROMs. When you see the permission request pop up, tap Allow. This access ensures that Lemuroid can locate and manage your game files effectively. It is a quick process and helps the app function correctly. You can trust that this step will enhance your experience with Lemuroid. With that done, you are all set to enjoy Lemuroid on your Android device. You can now start adding your game ROMs and configuring the app to your preferences. Remember, having access to your game library is what makes Lemuroid a fantastic application. It opens up a world of gaming possibilities. Enjoy your gaming adventure.